Okay, hello everyone. I am standing here in my kitchen. It's a little bit different today, different look, but I learned something super cool that I wanted to share with all of you. And today in my class on Outschool, we use Zoom, and I was able to connect my iPhone to make it look like a document camera. And my students were like, "Oh, neat. It's like a camera and we can see you at the same time." So, although it may not be perfect, you may have some other options or ideas. I would love to know what they are so I can keep exploring this. Please put them in the comment section below, and I'll keep learning about this. How do we turn your iPhone into a document camera? Let's take a look. Okay, everybody, when you are here in Zoom, hopefully you can see this. I go to share screen, and then I'm going to choose iPhone, iPad, and hit share. I did learn that if you have an iPhone plugged into your computer, you should see that same icon, but with a little plug. So you could choose either one. Mine just hasn't come up that way, so I just left it. I could probably try another USB port, but I didn't because I just used it this way. So you can see on this, it says on your iPhone or iPad, connect to Wi-Fi, which mine is already connected. It'll say your name, the name of your Wi-Fi network. Mine is HomeR2. Tap screen mirroring. So when you go to your phone, iPhone 11 or lower, I think, then you go and scroll from the bottom up. 11 and higher, you go from the corner. So I guess it's 10 and lower, you go from the bottom. 11 and higher, you go from the corner. All right, so on here, there is screen mirroring. Can you see that? Screen mirroring. I have a picture, I can add it. I'm going to click on that, and then up comes this, and it tells you to choose Zoom temp, so I'm going to choose that. Right away, it's thinking, and boom, it came up. So I am on one side, and the screen is on the other. I'm going to go into the camera and use it like a document camera. So here it is, just like this. And today we made caves, and I had my Play-Doh. The kids had to use a sugar cube as the soft rock and their Play-Doh as the hard rock, and we wrapped it around, and I was able to show them how to do it, how to do the little drops of water in here. I will say it did take some practice to find out where my camera exactly is. So this is pretty neat. I really enjoyed that. I'm going to stop sharing. Okay, welcome back to me. Let me show you the tool I used to get this to look like an actual document camera. Oh, this little gadget has been the best one that I have found so far. It's very flexible. It moves. It's a little strong. It does talk about it not breaking. It's used with a certain kind of metal and all of that. I bought this on Amazon. I will link it below. I want to say it was about $15, $17 or something like that. But it is strong. It holds my iPhone just like that. It clips on to the edge of my countertop. So I'm using the island in the middle of my kitchen. I have clipped this to the end of a desk and used it to make my YouTube videos. So this thing has really come in handy. So like I said, I'll link that below. And I hope you found this helpful. Let me know if I left anything out or if you have any other ideas that I could try. I'd love to know. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching this short video, and I'll see you soon. Happy teaching. Goodbye.